Okay guys, look at guys the Obyan beach guys. Good morning guys. See, I think you're yesterday guys with Omar is the guys. We did to the Obyan to try fishing today. But look si Omar guys.
Yes sir.
No, look. I thought this today. I see this morning before I open my door, my house, and si Umar came like 5:50, and in the sky is very good already. But guys, look in this time, guys, the wind in the Obyan is a strong wind. Very bad today. But guys, look at the big, I don't know. Ma, ano yun, Mar? Kuna mo, Mar, oh? Like the big black, like flying saucer. It's dark, man. See, in the sky is in the top is very clear, but in the down is like it's very very dark, that one guys. See, and the wind is very strong now guys. See, look. Look si Umar now guys, land. It's the weather. Woo! The weather in the Obyan beach is very bad day today. Guys, look at in the sky and a white on white. See? Alright guys. And then the water is very high tide guys. After maybe like 9 to 10 going down the water guys. Yeah, but you know, stranded because the wind and the raining in the Obyan beach is strong guys. Look at the beautiful beach side in the Obyan beach. That's why. Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. See? Look at my back. Maglilipat pa yan ng skill ko. Okay guys, this is it now. Weather of the Saipan today until now continues guys. But yesterday, Papa Jerry still good acting yesterday. Okay guys. But I wish today also. I know a lot wish today because si Mama very hungry guys. Right? It's only short. Wait guys. See? And very cold in the Obyan guys. See, look under the Dinyan, you can see it nice and the island of Dinyan guys. See? Alright. See? It's slow motion guys. See? And look at my my things guys. See? Right, my brain. And also my things si Umar. He's tambay. Here's the reading guys. It's feel cold now. Alright. Good morning, Saipan! Guys, shout out everybody guys. Especially the hospital guys, Mr. Omar Ayusti guys. Don't forget for this to subscribe this channel guys, please. This is Omar Ayusti guys. And the brother si Manuel Ayusti from Kuwait guys. And also si Archie Ayusti guys. And also si PO3 Brian Ayusti guys. Guys, look. And that's the sun guys. But weather is very bad night today. Okay? And also si Henry Cabrera, bro, good morning. And also si Mr. Carlos Camacho, happy birthday today, bro. Today is your birthday. And also si Ben de la Cruz family, good morning. And si Mr. Tenorio, J. Tenorio with your wife. Si Sumase, good morning everybody for Tenorio family in Saipan. Guys, and also don't forget to subscribe si Mr. Silvano Johnny, guys, and si Tagalog Hawk, and also si Papa Jerry in Saipan. See, guys, and also si Mr. Henry Cabrera, guys, family. Good morning, everybody. This is Saipan, guys, and don't forget to subscribe si Papa Jerry with Mama in the beachside and Mama in the land. As always, I love him today, guys. Love you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Love you. The weather's bad. Bye.